Hey everyone, want to dazzle your friends with a brighter smile in just 3 minutes? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into a super simple home remedy for natural teeth whitening. No gimmicks, just good old-fashioned science. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Let's jump right in. First up, our main stars, baking soda and lemon juice. These kitchen heroes can help lighten your teeth. But like any good superhero duo, they come with their own strengths and weaknesses. Let's break it down. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is mildly abrasive. It helps scrub away surface stains on your teeth. Plus, it's alkaline, which helps neutralize acids in your mouth, making it a double win. Lemon juice, on the other hand, is a natural bleaching agent due to its high citric acid content. It can help lighten stains and give you a fresh feeling. Now, for the not-so-great news. Baking soda can be too abrasive if used too frequently, potentially wearing down your enamel. And lemon juice. That citric acid is also a bit of a villain, eroding enamel if you overdo it. So moderation is key, folks. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. How to use these ingredients safely. Mix a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice to form a paste. It should look like this. Dip your toothbrush into the paste and gently brush your teeth for about a minute. Don't go too hard. You're polishing a gem, not scrubbing a pot. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. This will help wash away the acidity from the lemon juice. And voila! A brighter smile in just 3 minutes. Remember, this is something you should do no more than once a week to avoid damaging your enamel. And of course, pair it with good dental hygiene practices like regular brushing, flossing, and visits to your dentist. So give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And if you liked this video or just enjoyed my corny jokes, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your smile shining bright. Thanks for watching, and keep smiling.